Welcome to the introduction video for the Breakfree Trading Navigator. Whether you're a novice or a pro trader, Navigator is designed to free your mind and change your trading experience forever. Let's jump right in. Navigator is made up of 4 components: the chart, the side menu, the top menu, and the trading bridge at the bottom. Starting with the top menu, you'll find the option to switch between light and dark mode. Next is the Layout tab. Here, you can save or load a customized layout. Once you have made a change in the chart or layout, Navigator will automatically save for you every 2 minutes. Next is the Performance tab. Here, you will find personal trading statistics, among other data on your trading activities. Finally, we have the User Profile tab. You can navigate to Settings to control your account details or update your subscription and billing details. To begin automated trading, you can synchronize your neural agent with a trading account. In case of any issues or errors with Navigator, you can click Clear Session to reset Navigator back to factory settings. If you just need to reset the layout, you can keep all settings and revert back to the initial layout by clicking Reset Layout. And of course, the logout button is there for when you've wrapped up your trading day. Now, let's pivot to the chart. Here's where the action is. The chart offers many capabilities. It comes preloaded with our neural mode, trading sessions, and news feed for free. It allows you to view thousands of the most popular markets in real time, across different time frames, and monitor all your trades at the same time. Before we continue with the chart, allow us to explain the purpose of Navigator. Breakfree Trading is transforming manual trading to personal financial freedom, all through advanced trading technology that enables full-service automated trading. If you sign up for Navigator with the link below this video, you will receive free access to Navigator and the manual neural trading strategy. Now, back to the chart. You can easily place orders by simply right-clicking on the chart and clicking Place Order. This will bring up the order panel. Here you have the option to customize the order: sell or buy direction, market, position size, order type, entry price, stop loss, and take profit. Our TradeGuard pre-trade score will give you active feedback on the trade you are placing, including a risk overview for correlated risk. When you are connected through the bridge, you can set a take profit or stop loss for a trade directly by dragging in the arrows. Need to keep an eye on multiple markets at the same time? No problem. Simply add another tab and position it as you wish. Now you have dual charts or more if you need them. If you need to draw or use classic charting tools, just click the arrow on the left side of the chart, and a side menu will show. You can find a large set of tools here, including trend lines, chart controls, and the position tool. Let's move on to the right side menu, starting with chat. Not just any chat, but a platform to connect with all users on breakfreetrading.com. Then, there's the Trend Index, which allows you a real-time view of our neural technology deciphering the markets. It ranks over 50 markets and groups them into correlated risk groups. This allows you to easily follow liquidity across the markets and extract money from the volatility. The Trend Index also allows you to control your trading copilot neural agent remotely and deploy it on any market you choose. Next, we have the Economic Calendar. It shows all current and upcoming economic events and impacts. The Economic Calendar is also integrated directly into our chart, where you will see all related upcoming news to the specific market you are viewing. Following the calendar, we have the Watchlist, where you can find several pre-made groups of markets. Next, we have Alerts, where you can set SMS, push, or sound alerts for any market. You can also right-click on the chart to place an alert at a direct price level. Next up, we have the Breakfree Trading Academy, where you can find the education and knowledge we have available. We will regularly be adding new content, but make sure you also check out our YouTube channel, where we host weekly live streams every Wednesday at 1300 UTC. Finally, should you need any support, you can reach the Breakfree Trading support team by clicking the life ring here. That's all for the side menu. Let's move on to the trading bridge. If you don't have a trading account, you can create a new one with IC Markets in the bridge. If you already have a Binance or MT4, MT5 account, you can connect it directly. Once connected, there are several tabs inside the trading bridge. Positions, showing all open trades grouped by symbol. Filled orders, listing every individual open trade. Pending orders, displaying all your current pending limit orders in the market. History provides the most recent trading history of your account. Risk, showing the total risk deployed in both open and pending orders. In the right corner of the trading bridge, you have several options. You can cancel all pending orders with Cancel Pending. You can also place a manual order, reconnect, disconnect to your broker, or do custom market mapping with your broker's markets and our data feed. Navigator maps most markets automatically. Sometimes markets must be mapped once, which is quickly done by clicking Map. In the left field, enter the market symbol from Navigator. Next, in the right field, enter the market symbol from your broker that you wish to map. Click the plus button and you are done. That's all. Regarding Navigator app for iOS or Android. For mobile devices, including tablets, you can save the Navigator app to your device by going to Options in Safari or Chrome and click Add to Home. Now, it will automatically log you in and use full screen when you open Navigator, and the app will work like a regular app on your device. Lastly, if you need any help, our support team stands by to help you. Just click the life vest in the right menu or send us an email at support@breakfreetrading.com, and we are ready to help. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the Breakfree Trading Navigator, designed to free your mind and conquer the markets using advanced technology